Well, that was fun, wasn't it? Here, let me set you down right here. Are you comfortable? Let me look for a blanket for you, and then I can look at that leg. How does that sound? Ah, here we are. Lucky there's one right here. It's a little dirty, but it will do for now. Now that you're comfortable, why don't I look at that leg of yours, huh? Oh damn, that doesn't look too good. It's a deep cut. But luckily, it didn't hit a main vein. You're lucky I'm a dab hand at first aid. Here we go. It's a good thing I've packed this first aid kit. Now, this is going to sting a bit, but I promise that it's going to help you. I know. Just a bit more, and... See? There we go. Let's get a fire going. Now, how the hell... Alright, let's see what I have here. Okay, I think I have an idea. But I need a piece of that blanket to start up a small fire. And I can look around for some dry wood. Come on, there has to be at least one piece of dry wood around here. Ah! I knew it. I found some. Now, I just need a small piece of that blanket, and I can get a fire going. Hopefully, the wood isn't too wet. And we can... Ah! We got it. And now, you're going to be nice and warm in no time. Finally, in the morning, I promise I'll go out and look around and see if I can find someone. Or at least see where the hell we are. No, I don't want to hear any of that. You're hurt. And I won't have you moving a single inch. Whatever you need, I'll get it for you. Anything you want. I can make us s'mores. Do you want one? Good. I wasn't going to take no for an answer anyway. You know, besides this little dilemma, I think it's still good we came out here. What do I mean? Well, it's nice that it's just us, you know? Of course I mean it. Why would I ever lie to you? Well, I guess... You know what? Why don't we cuddle up next to the fire and toast these marshmallows and relax? I knew you would like that idea. Now let me help you. Are you alright? Are you in any pain? Wait, I know that you're in pain. You know what? How about I get started on the s'mores, huh? Perfect. Okay, so I'm not going to lie. My toasting abilities aren't the greatest. But I mean, they aren't terrible either. I meant to do that, honest. And now it's time for the chocolate. And now, the graham cracker. And there. It's not my best work, but it's something. I hope you like it. I mean, it's not a lot, I know. But then again, I didn't think that we would exactly get lost out here. It does give me some time to, well, talk to you about a few things. Like what? Well, there has been something I've been wanting to ask you for some time, but I haven't been able to word it the right way exactly. It's a lot harder than it looks, but I guess I will try my hardest to explain what I wanted to say. Well, we've been friends for a while, and well, oh well. This is it's a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. I've liked you for a while, and well, it's really yeah. Wait, Do you really mean it? Wow. No. It's just, I never expected a girl like you to actually have, well, feelings for me, I guess. You're just beautiful. And I'm, well, you know. So how long have you liked me? Wow. And to think that both of us were too shy to say something before, huh? So how about it? That both of us, you know, after all this is over, we're going on a proper camping trip, roasting proper marshmallows, and doing everything correctly this time. Yeah? That sounds perfect. I think I actually know a spot. Yep. But I'm not going to spoil the secret now. You'll just have to wait and see. Oh, come on. Don't you go on and pout. You know how weak I am when you do that type of stuff. I'm not going to fall for it this time. Nope. You'll just have to wait and see. I promise that it's something that you're going to love and adore. And it's going to be awesome. And if you don't like it, then I give you permission to do whatever you want to me. No, okay, maybe not that, but, you know what? Just eat your s'more and enjoy it.